Hello everyone. Today this is the second class of our cell. The chapter the structural unit of our life. So and now we are just going to know about something about the component of the cell. Components of the cell. There is some components, that means cell membrane, which you already know the term. This cell membrane, cytoplasm, cell wall and nucleus, the basic components. When the question arises like that way, what are the basic components of a cell? Then you must write down these 4 basic components, and you from the video come to know the feature and the functions of these 3 basic components. Okay, so here first, cell membrane. Cell membrane, I already told you, the membrane is present in both plant and both animal cell. And then the feature, this cell membrane is the living semi-permeable membrane. That it is living, it has the life, and it is semi-permeable. That means it permeable for some chemical which we need, and it also hinder the entry of other chemical which we not need in our body. So it is semi-permeable or differentially permeable. Okay, then it is made up of lipoprotein. Okay, and the function of this cell, what the function of this membrane? It regulates the entry of the certain solute and ion. I already told that it regulates the entry of the certain solutes and ions, and then maintain the shape of the cell. Different for animal, because it is the outer part for animal cell membrane, so it also maintain the shape. And then separate the cell component from its surrounding. In other, separate the cell component, each cell component from the other cell component. This membrane help in separating. Okay. Next, this is cell wall. I already told that cell wall, it is only present in the outer layer of cell membrane for plant cell only. This is not present in the animal cell. Okay, it is non-living. Cell was non-living, rigid layer surrounding the plasma membrane. This cell membrane also called plasma membrane. Surrounding the plasma membrane, this cell wall is present. It is non-living, they did not have life, and it is rigid layer, and it is also composed of cellulose. And it is freely permeable. It permits the entry of the different and all chemicals. There is no hindrance for that entry. Okay. What the function it gives? It gives the rigidity and the shape for plant cell, because it is the outer layer, and allow the substance to enter and leave and provide the protection. Obviously, this cell wall provide the protection of the plant cell. Okay. Now, the third or second, which you can learn from here, this is not a necessary part. This cytoplasm is so necessary, that is it is the inside the cell without inside the cell, all the protoplasm mean the cytoplasm plus nucleus. Here we come to know about some features of cytoplasm and the function what it do. First, what it does, all part inside the membrane is called the cytoplasm. Okay, contains the mixture of water soluble component and other various organelle which we already know, the organelle what are present in the cytoplasm. What the function? All the metabolic activity occur in it by this organelle. All the metabolic activity are done, and then different organelle perform different functions. Different organelle, which the function of the organelles, also the function of the cytoplasm. And then the point come for nucleus. It is the largest cell organelle. So, cytoplasm have different cell organelle. What are they? Endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi body, ribosome, lysosome, centrosome, centriole or plastid, nucleus. All are the organelles which in a cytoplasm, the nucleus is the largest. It is the largest organelle. Okay, mostly spherical, dense, Okay, and has a nuclear membrane with pore. I already told you with pore there is a nuclear membrane, and between the membrane there is a pore. Okay, and the chromatin fiber which contain the DNA. The chromatin fiber which contain the DNA. Okay, the function of the nucleus. What are the function? As it regulate all the cell function, so it is called the brain. All the protein production, DNA heredity, gene production, gene transfer, all things are done by the nucleus. So it regulates all the cell function. That's why it is called the brain of a cell. And it is when removed, the cell dies. When it is removed, the cell dies. And it contains the chromosome which bear the gene that control the heredity character. All the characters, all our character, our length, our color, our structure, all this heredity, all the character are transferred from one generation to another generation or one cell to another cell by the function of the nucleus. Is it clear? So today we are going to know about what we already know from this class. We know about the basic component of cell. If the question arises like that way, state 3 basic component of the cell. You must write down like that way. Cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus is a basic 3 component of the cell, and this is the feature, this is the function of both 3 of these 3. Okay. So this is all for today. Let's see. Thank you.